This video is going to teach you to use a program that I always use, ActivePresenter. This is what I use for the videos I make, and I'll talk you through uploading to YouTube as well. So the first thing you want to do is you want to download ActivePresenter. There's the website there, atomisystems.com/downloads. If you've got Windows, obviously this one, Mac, this one. So once you download the program and you've installed it, you open it up and it should bring you to a page like this. Now you can actually create presentations within ActivePresenter. However, quite frankly, I don't do this. I've had trouble with it in the past, so I just use Google Slides. That way as well, you've always got a hard copy of, or a cloud copy of Google Slides you can access anytime and use again. But if you wanted to, you can try actually making it here. But as I said, I use Google Slides. So once you've made your slides, giving information about how to use a website, how to make a website, you've got explanations, examples, instructions, etc. all on your Google Slides. You can open it up. This is obviously my example for Act 3, Scene 1, Romeo and Juliet. And then you want to hit present before you start recording. So I'll go through that in a minute, but you want to hit present here, so you've got a nice big screen like this, because you don't want to be presenting with just the panes on the side. Then you go back to ActivePresenter, so scroll between the two desktops. So we go back to ActivePresenter and hit record video, and it'll bring you to it'll bring up something that looks like this. Once you've got this on, make sure audio's on. You can hit record, and this will pop up. This tells you what to do to stop your video. So when you finish, this is Alt, Command, and 2. So whenever you finish presenting, you hit Alt, Command, 2, it will stop. Now you have 3 seconds to kind of, oh God, what's going on here? You have 3 seconds to scroll right as I did there. You know, you see that? You've got 3 seconds to do that and get back on your slides. Then when you finish, you've hit Command, Alt, and stop. Command, Alt, and 2. You finish your video. You've gone through everything. You've gone through the slides. You want to stop it. Hit those buttons, and it will bring you to a page like this. Here you can edit the video, although you shouldn't need to do it so much. So I'm not going to teach you how to, because I've never needed to do it personally. Obviously, you're just recording the screen for the bits you like, but there's like a cut buttons and stuff down here. You're going to need to go to export. So export here, then video, and it'll bring you up a thing like this. Make sure you're exporting to MP4. That's what you want to export to, MP4. Pick where you want to save it and the file name, but make sure it's MP4. Then once that's done, you can go to YouTube. You need to make a YouTube Studio account. Once you've got a YouTube Studio account, it'll bring you up to a thing like this. Hit this one here to upload, and it'll bring you up to a screen like this. Just drag the file in, drag the new video in, give it a name. No, it's not made for kids. This page here, so this the second page, just next, you don't need anything on that. And then finally, the last page, make sure your video is either public, so anyone can see it, or unlisted. If it's unlisted, you can't search for it. You have to give people the link. Don't do private. But unlisted is also fine. If you share the link with me, that's also fine. And then publish, obviously. And that's it. That's how to make an ActivePresenter video and how to upload something to YouTube.